Amanda Haynes, your Orlando realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you some homes here in Kissimmee. We're in a guard-gated 55 plus active adult community. This is actually the smallest floor plan that they have. For a single family home, you have 1,599 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. So you have your first full-size bathroom, a spacious bedroom. There's 3 different elevations to choose from, starting you at a base price of $330,990. Your foyer takes you to your designer kitchen. Here to your right, you have a big island with granite countertops, 42-inch wood cabinets, all GE stainless steel appliances, your pantry, a drop zone area leading you out to your 2-car garage, and then of course your laundry room. This community offers an abundance of amenities. For single-family homes, the HOA is only $239 a month. If you have a villa, it's $289, and the CDD is $1,588 per year. Your dining area and your great room. A beautiful covered lanai. This one has been extended, so you do have that as an option. And last but not least, your owner's suite. A spacious bedroom, beautiful tray ceilings. You have a clubhouse, tennis, pickleball, a fitness center, lots of activities like ping pong and pool, and your lawn maintenance is taken care of. If you have any questions about this community or others in the area, I've been doing a lot of research for 55 plus communities, and this one offers you a lot. It's in a great location near Disney, and you have multiple floor plans to choose from. Again, my name's Amanda Haynes. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so to see more videos like these, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.